Alright, I just gotta come out and say it and come clean. I was a Twilighter.
It is amazing when 12
nerd-fighting,
puzzle-loving
girls from
different cities,
different states,
and even different countries
are brought together
by YouTube
to create
a whole new breed
of collab channel.
French Diploma! It's Monday!
So remember when, back at the beginning of the project, somebody asked us, so, how'd you become a nerd fighter? And well, I was like, well, I found the 5 awesome guys, and then from there I just found the Vlogbrothers, and then I found the Harry Potter fandom and went on from there. I lied a little bit. Alright, so let's just start at the beginning, and let me explain myself. So, when I was in 9th grade, not very many people had started reading Twilight yet, but a couple of people did. And they were like, oh my god, Olivia, you have to read these books. And I was like, not really my thing. I don't know. No, you don't understand. You have to read these books. These books are like the best things since sliced bread. Alright, I guess I'll read them. I read them, and I really liked them. See, Twilight did to me what it's done to millions of preteen girls. It gets inside of your head, and it manipulates it. And it tells you that this is okay stuff. It's not okay. Keep in mind that I didn't know then what I know now. My taste in reading has heightened a lot. And I've realized that overuse of adverbs makes for horrid writing. Now, I feel like I do need to, protect myself on one point. One, I hated Edward. From the beginning, I was always anti-Edward. I thought he was a creep, and that he was just deranged, which he is, and I still think that now. Two, I hated Bella. Really, the only reason why I read the series was for Jacob. You guys are probably wondering why I really felt the need to tell you this. Well, when I had answered my question before about how we got into Nerd Fighters, I've tried to block this year of Twilight obsessed from my memory. It hasn't quite happened, but it's close to being completely erased. I didn't realize it until a few days ago when I was thinking about it, that without Twilight, I probably wouldn't be here. And I really hate to say that. But it's true. I mean, Twilight was my first experience with a fandom. From there, it just kind of went. And I guess that's when I found the 5 awesome guys. It's a little after that, and then from there. I hope you guys can forgive me. It's a horrible thing that I've done. If I knew that for the rest of my high school career, I would be considered as the Twilight freak, probably wouldn't have done it. Because yes, I, the one who has spent the past 2 years making up for the 1 year of stupidity, am still paying back that, oh, you like Twilight? And I really want it to disappear. I was always Harry Potter though. The spirit of Dumbledore's army prevail. Love you guys.